Hi, I'm Logan, and today I'm going to be talking about universal design for learning. So you all might ask, what is universal design for learning? Universal design for learning, also referred to as UDL, is an approach to teaching aimed at meeting the needs of every student in a classroom that guides the development of flexible learning environments that can accommodate individual learning styles. UDL takes careful planning by teachers in order to create a rich learning environment that is designed around the needs of all students. This can be helpful for kids, gifted students, and students with learning disabilities and attention issues. What are the three principles of UDL? First, provide multiple means of representation to give learners various ways of acquiring information and knowledge. Second, provide multiple means of action and expression to provide learners alternatives for demonstrating what they know. And third, provide multiple means of engagement, tap into learners' interests, offer appropriate challenges, and increase motivation. All of this sounds great, doesn't it? But the problem is, in most school settings, students are provided with information in written forms and books. Learners differ in the ways they perceive and comprehend information that is presented to them. There is not one means of representation that will work for all learners. All students would serve best in a UDL environment where students can benefit from different opinions and learn information to express their knowledge. Why all teachers should use UDL. UDL provides the same kind of flexibility in the classroom. By applying these principles, teachers can effectively instruct a diverse group of learners. Teachers can do this by building flexibility in the ways learners can access information and in the ways students can demonstrate their knowledge. The classroom can go from looking like this to looking like this with UDL. Instructional methods and tools used by teachers to ensure that all students have an equal opportunity to learn. Understanding UDL concepts and technologies will help teachers create classroom environments where students will be able to access and learn the curriculum using their individual strengths. Providing students with the multiple means of information will create an environment that gives each student an opportunity to succeed. Thank you.